Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to convert a PDF file into a JPEG file in your Google Drive account. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us dive into this. Alright, so in the first step, head over to a Google Drive account. Make sure that you're logged in with your associated Gmail/Google account. And after that, simply pick the file you would like to convert. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to convert that PDF file here, test PDF. So to do that, simply right click on the given file. Hover your mouse over Open With here at the top, and here to the right select Connect More Apps from that drop-down menu. That is going to redirect you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. So all you need to do is use the search bar here at the top where it says Search Apps and type in PDF to JPEG. So let me do that really quickly and confirm by pressing Enter on your keyboard. And after that, pick a converter from the list of supported converters below. I'm going to use that one here, so left click on it. And after that, confirm by clicking on Install here to the right. And during the installation, Google might ask you to confirm and to sign in with your Google account to gain access to the given converter. So to do that, click on Continue here. After that, make sure that you give the converter the permission to access your files and folders on Google Drive. So make sure that you select this box as well as the box below. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and proceed by clicking on Continue here. Wait for the installation process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment, so be patient. And after a moment, the given converter will be installed. So close that window by clicking on OK here. And after that, click on Done there and close that window here as well. So guys, now it's time to convert your PDF file. To do that, select it with your right mouse, hover your mouse over Open With here, and select the converter from the list of added converters, which in this case here is PDF to JPEG. That is going to redirect you to the external site here. So what you want to do, guys, is you either upload the given file from your device by clicking on that button here. So you may do that and locate the PDF file on your PC or laptop and simply convert it that way, or you use your Google Drive account by clicking on From Google Drive here. So let me go with the first option for demonstration purposes. Locate the file on your computer. And in the last step, download your converted JPEG file, for instance, on your device, or save it on your Google Drive account. So let me save it on my device for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, the given file will be downloaded in zip format. So you may unpack it if you like and later add it to your Google Drive account. And that's basically all to it, guys. I hope this video was helpful and I'll catch you later.